All right, I'm back with another example here. We're going to go through the same steps. The complexity is a bit higher here, but we're going to work through it. So we got to factor everything. Check it out. This numerator here looks like I can factor 3. I'll have x plus 4 left. Now I hope you guys notice right away difference of squares here. Okay, so remember, it's the square root. One of them gets added, one of them gets subtracted. The order doesn't matter. If you do plus 4, minus 4, totally okay. Looks like we'll be able to cross something off, which is nice. Okay, the other side, x plus 4 stays, and it looks like I can factor 2 out of the bottom. All right, so this is looking good. Just remember, get your non-permissibles before you cancel anything off. I got x minus 4 being 0. Quickly I can tell that x is not allowed to be 4. Then I got x plus 4 can't be 0. All right, this side gives me x minus 4 can't be 0, but I already dealt with that. So these are non-permissibles. They look good. Now go ahead and cross these terms off. Let's just clean it up, see what we're left with. Okay, I want to point out this x plus 4, this x minus 4, there's nothing you can do with that. Those don't cancel in any kind of way. And it's kind of nice that they don't, because our two denominators are very, very similar. The only difference is this 2. All right, so that tells us if you want this denominator to match this denominator, you just have to multiply it by 2. And what you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. So, with our common denominator, our two terms are going to look like this. Sorry, our two expressions are going to look like this. Okay, so that's the key step. So I'll just go over that one last time. I had x minus 4 on the left, and I had 2 times x minus 4 on the right. To make those match, I had to multiply the left denominator by 2. What I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. That's why this became a 6. Our denominators match now, so just bring everything together. I don't need to write this in brackets, but I'm going to, because once we start subtracting rational expressions, that's going to help you make fewer mistakes. This one is just 6 plus x plus 4. The 6 and the 4 add together. The x just stays by itself. Usually you put the x first. And this is our solution.